turbo. We've got a broken stud on this side. I'll do a close-up of it in a second. Basically, I've just started with a center punch, stuck it in the middle, given it a hit. I'm not sure if I'm going to drill it all the way out or drill most of it and then weld a nut to it yet or not. Probably have to clean these up and we'll see how we go as well. But simple process is just start drilling. Alright, here we go. We've got the stud. I've drilled it out, but because it's off center, I'm not going to keep drilling because I don't want to damage the turbo housing. These studs here, I don't know yet if I'm going to clean them up or try and get them out. It's probably a 50-50 shot on them, so we'll just be a bit careful. Now I learned this from Jace, so drilling out this lets the heat get in there. Basically just got a normal nut. Now that's got the heat gone all the way through it. I don't know if you can see that well, but it's a nice little weld on the top. Good old WD-40. Then we'll grab our rattle gun. Normally I would go forward first, and I'm just going to put this on not billet mode. So it's just a hit forward. Can't ask for more than that on a Friday morning. Alright, we'll give this other one a go, even though, you know, the thread got a little bit damaged. Put this back in there. Minced it. So, right tool, right job. Can't go wrong. Anyway, happy Friday, legends. So just cleaning up the threads, a little bit more stuff. And before you say, yes, I'm using a ratchet because my elbow's bad, I'm not allowed to really go nuts. But as long as all I'm doing is cleaning it up, I'm not tapping any threads. But it's as simple as that. Make sure you get a nice new stud.